Do you need a better link to the review article? I can send that to you.
Welcome to the Muslim Women Medical Scholars Podcast. I am Ilyas Maulana, your host today. In this podcast, I bring an inspirational and successful Muslim woman to you. My guest is Dr. Marium Husain. Dr. Marium Husain is a hematology oncology physician at the Ohio State University. Please join me in welcoming Dr. Mariam to the podcast.
Here, thank you, Leah. Assalamu alaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. So I have a question on one of your research papers. Please share the results of your research on African American breast cancer survivors, just briefly.
Yeah, so what we found in this systematic review is that African American breast cancer survivors experience disparate survivorship care, and that unfortunately has negative impacts on their quality of life and health outcomes. We also saw that there were challenges in terms of surveillance after their cancer treatment, and then also some delays in interventions for late effects, such as cardiotoxicity, for example, after some of the chemotherapy or cognitive challenges. And so basically what we found is that more research needs to be done, and that these barriers and these challenges need to be addressed to help improve outcomes in this particular population.
Great. Okay, I'm so happy to have you here today, and we'll end our podcast here. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.